In this video, I'll be taking you through a tutorial of how to make the pico de gallo, one of my favorite sides when I step into a Mexican restaurant. That's it and done. Come, join me and let's get this started. This video is powered by Dennomatic Essentials, my storefront that has every item that can make your kitchen work easy. Allow me to show off this beautiful salad bowl made of bamboo tops and of course a fork and a spoon. This will help you mix up your salad and everything you're trying to mix up so well. When it comes to the bowl itself, it's made of glass and it is crack resistant, and we shall be using it in the video just like you're about to watch. We have the onion right here that we're going to use still in this video, and you know you cannot miss it when you're making any food in your kitchen. Then we have the cilantro right here as I get my dish to wash all the vegetables that are right here. The cilantro, as we shall chop it in the video. Then we have 4 tomatoes. The particular tomatoes to use should be hard because you need to slice them and dice them into small cubes. As you can see, 4 tomatoes are good just for you to make a good pico de gallo. Then we have lemon, properly sealed, properly packed, because I had cut it and I used some over it some at the time and I didn't want to waste it. All this storages you can find in the Dennomatic Essentials when you scan the QR code on your screen, or if you're watching from your mobile phone, you can click the link in the description down below. As we get to the washing right there, then we have the vegetable chopper right here. This I'm going to use to chop this onion. We only need half an onion for the pico de gallo. It depends what you love. I need this half an onion because it makes me feel better each time I'm having flu, and I just get 1 or 2 spoonfuls over the pico de gallo and I eat it raw. So this vegetable chopper as well, it's in my store front. You're gonna need a knife right here, and it's really very sharp, so you better be very careful. Then the lime or lemon squeezer is very essential to make the juice all come out of that fruit. Then of course we'll need the salt to sprinkle around till the taste comes to life. This is Dennomatic TV. You can click subscribe. Now let's start washing the vegetables for the gallo, right? So you want to take off that outer side like that. Be very careful with the knife, then throw that away. Then you want to chop that into kind of like triangles just to make it easy for this vegetable chopper right here. So you want to bring it close and do that and press. That is 1, then press. That is 2, then press. That is 3. Very easy. It saves time. You know, I know most of you like the art of chopping onions, but these things are just so easy. They are made for you just to make work easy. Look at those cubes right there. But they could be big. You want to try and bring them back onto the crate like this. See that? And still make another press. See that? Make it smaller, you know, for the pico de gallo to taste even better. You know, just scoop a little, bring it back, and do another press. See? So because now the size is smaller, that's why it gets stuck. So we are done with the onions. You want to put them right in your bowl. Make sure nothing stays in. Well, so we are done with the onions. So what do? Clear that away into the sink. Then now get your tomatoes. I told you we need 4 tomatoes. Yep, for this pico de gallo. Very nice name. The spelling has the LL but the pronunciation differs, right, according to you. Yeah. So put that there. Cut that out apart. People have different ways of chopping tomatoes, right? In Africa, we do the round. In America, they go the other way around. So look at that. So this is what you do. Hold your tomato like that, then chop it right in the middle, not round format, right? All of them do the same like that. Be very careful with the knife because it's really so sharp. Chop your tomatoes like that. Boom. And now you want to get piece by piece. Hold it like this. Then I'll start chopping into strips. See that? See what I'm doing? Chop it into strips. Mind your fingers, don't chop yourself, and take your time because you are in the kitchen. And now you want to chop them into cubes like that. Remember, I'm the presenter, I'm the editor, I'm the online talent, so that's why I cannot move the camera. Hope you can see everything I'm doing. Put that on the side like that, then do the same. Chop the strips. Dice them. Make sure you don't leave anything behind, right? They taste better when they're smaller. But whatever size that you want, you can do. But the Mexicans do it like this. So don't mess up the originator's art. Get it? In case you're just joining it, we are doing the pico de gallo, right from Mexico. Favorite dish. I told you, each time I eat these when I got flu, I feel much better because they got the onion, and you see everything is natural. I go by the saying, if it's not natural, don't trust it. So slowly by slowly, I'm changing my diet. Whatever you see in this video, some of the things that are even up there on the fridge, I never eat them, so I'm about to throw away, you know, because I'm minding my diet. So we are dicing 4 tomatoes right here for the pico de gallo. You can eat it on any of the dishes that you want. Anything roasted on your plate, it can do for you. Believe me, right? Push that aside. All right. We are almost done with our tomatoes. Yep. Dice them, dice them, dice them. Pico de gallo. All right. One more slice. Yeah. Make sure you get your tomatoes right. Wipe. Just want to show you how the tomatoes look right there on the screen. These are the sizes that I want, but the Mexicans even go smaller sizes. they're supposed to be. So whatever size that you want can work for you, but I want to crunch my tomatoes at least when they're not so small. So I want to slide this in the bowl. We already have onions right there. And now we get our cilantro right here. Already washed, as you can see, it's still dripping. So you want to take out this part, because these are the roots. You don't need them. Throw right there. And now do the same to this so that you can now chop all of them together. I don't want to waste my cilantro, right? This is a lot, though. Take that away. And now you want to squeeze them like this. You want to start chopping into small particles like that. PICO De Gallo, Dennomatic TV. Click subscribe. You want to rotate the cilantro around so you get the perfect pieces. Till the last drop. Now, turn the chopping board still. And make another turn. Another one. Yeah, this already feels like a good job. Look at that. Woohoo! Just want to show you how they look like. Look at that. Yep. And now you want to slide it into the bowl. Boom. One thing that is left is the lemon. You want to curry the bowl right there. Ladies, you can see, ladies and gentlemen, you can see how it looks already. So open. Oh, some water went in there. You can find this still in my Walmart storefront. They're right there, and they'll they help you keep your fruits fresh and yummy. So there you go. Get your lime, get your lemon, and squeeze it in. See that all the water? That is the half. Get the other half. Do the same thing. Yeah. And now I'm getting to my favorite parts. Clean yourself. Then put everything on the side. Woohoo! So we are about to mix. Do that, do that, do that. First mix in that lemon. Pico de gallo. It's already starting to smell good and healthy. Okay, now that we're done, we want to get some salt. I want you to see the measurement. So you can use sea salt, you can use the salt that you have at home. I want to start with this. This could be too much, but remember you have to put in the salt to test. Okay? So sprinkle all over. Sprinkle all over. Then first put that aside. I don't want to put in too much because remember there's already the lemon, huh? The lemon juice. The juice. Ooh. All right. All right. Who wants to test right now? Are you ready for the moment of truth? If you've watched this video till the end, then you're one of the chosen few that wants to cook something, learn something, eat something, and save something for a better well-being. For now, it's the moment of truth. We were preparing the pico de gallo, one of my favorite side dishes, and now I gotta test it with you. 1 spoon will do for me. Look at that. You can now leave me a like for proper algorithm right there, and you can share this video with a friend, and of course catch me in the next video because we're about physical, mental, and of course your financial well-being. Dennomatic TV, click subscribe.